Good morning to one and all.
I am Helen Joseph.
And I am Helen Rose.
Helen, do you know what is common between Mahatma Gandhi, Narendra Modi and Barack Obama?
Yes, Helen. They are all leaders par excellence. Leadership is a quality which is nurtured and has its seed sown in the childhood itself.
It's rightly said, leaders are not born, they are made. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremonies of school, which reminds us of the trust and confidence we repose in our newly elected council.
It's our honor to welcome our beloved sister, Shobha Philomene, on this special occasion of Investiture ceremony of the year 2021-22. Prayer is an invocation to God Almighty. Let us all join our hands together to give praise to the God Almighty, the Omnipotent and the Omnipresent. Now I invite the school choir for the prayer.
If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. The galaxy of invited guests, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear students. A pleasant good morning, everyone. The duty which I am bestowed today is to welcome everyone to this investiture ceremony. Great things are achieved through great leadership, and great leaders are created in a four walls of a room. Amid us, we have an inspired personality, the respected Mrs. Evelyn D. Rose. She is the principal of Al-Azhar Central School, Mala. She has been an excellent English teacher for many years. We thank you for having spared your valuable time to grace us with your august presence here to this investiture ceremony. It's our proud privilege to extend a hearty welcome to you, ma'am, to this very momentous occasion. Welcome, ma'am. One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a God. One candle can wipe out darkness. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the needs of others is an art. Our principal, Reverend Sister Shobha Philomene, does not set out to be a leader, but becomes a special one by the quality of her action and integrity of her intent. With a thankful heart, we welcome you, dear sister. To the world, you may be the person, but to one person, you may be the world. With immense pleasure, we welcome our dear parents. We do cherish your partnership and collaboration in all our endeavors. We treasure your love and concern towards our second home. Your esteemed presence amidst us today makes us feel proud. Welcome, dear parents. Leaders are the role models who inspire followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. Here we our energetic and enthusiastic Students' Council members. It's a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome our dear students to this investiture ceremony. There are no 7 wonders of the world in the eye of a child. There are 7 million. It's true, the imagination of a student is incomparable. Students are a creation of God, and their smile is irresistible to not make us smile alone. I bid a very warm welcome to you students to this function. Those who educate students well are more to be honored than parents, for those only gave life, those the art of living well. Teachers are parents to the students when needed. With pride, I welcome our dear teachers. Last but not least, we would like to welcome our non-teaching staff for their continual and cooperative support, who work hand in hand with us, make us feel reliant, move a mind towards this great occasion. We welcome your dears. Once again, on behalf of the Little Flower family, we welcome you all. Thank you. Have a pleasant day.
Thank you, ma'am, for such a pleasant welcome.
I am profusely elated to take an opportunity to invite our chief guest of the day, Ms. Evelyn D. Rose, the principal of Al-Lesser Central School, Mala, for her inaugural speech.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Respected Principal, Sister Shobha Philomen, dear teachers, parents, and my dear students, a pleasant morning to one and all. It's my pleasure and privilege to inaugurate the Students' Council of Little Flower Public School, Muringur, for the academic year 2021-22. And I'm very happy to be here on this auspicious occasion because I started my career as a teacher in LF Muringur. And as always, I had a great support from Sister Shobha and the teachers. I take this opportunity to congratulate head boy Alan Pramod and head girl Devananda Renil and the 4 house captains and vice captains. Congratulations everyone and all the best, and I hope that you leaders will lead all the programs of this year which will be conducted in your school. So, who is a leader? If your thoughts, your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. So the only thing I would like to share and wish you is to be a model to others, inspire others with your thoughts, and motivate them. Once again, I congratulate the leaders and the students of the Students' Council, and also thank Sister Shobha Philomen, a principal, and her team of teachers for giving me this opportunity. And I conclude my words. Thank you very much. Have a nice day and God bless you. Thank you.
I like to thank Ms. Evelyn D. Rose for her gracious presence and inspiring words. Thank you, ma'am.
Now, let us give a big round of applause to the newly elected members of the Student Council. Now, I would like to invite our beloved principal, Sister Shobha Philomen, to do the honor to pin up the badges and give away flags and sashes so as to instill in them a sense of duty, pride, and responsibility.
Let us begin. Student Council is led by Alan Pramod, the head boy.
Alan Pramod is a vibrant young leader to propel and guide the Student Council.
who together will guide and boost our confidence in all our endeavors.
Now we have the house captains and vice captains of Emerald House. Here is Crystal Noble, our house captain, followed by vice captains Dr. KJ and Rahul Bibi. Emerald House stands for inspiration, loyalty, and service. The patron saint of the house is Saint John Bosco. The icon is Mahatma Gandhi. The house floors us to relax, revitalize, and be generous. Green is his color. It's a positive color, giving us ability to love, nurture ourselves and others unconditionally.
Now we have Aryan Soji, the house captain of Ruby House, followed by the vice captain Cheslin Maria and Chris Joseph. Ruby House stands to ignite light and burn out darkness. The patron saint of house is Saint Alfonso. The icon is Rabindranath Tagore. The house motivates us to be happy, creative, wise, ambitious, and human. Red is its color. It is a positive color associated with power and determination.
Raju. Sapphire House stands to contemplate together, love and serve. The patron saint of the house is Mother Teresa. The icon is Florence Nightingale. The house motivates us to be charismatic, intelligent, calm, orderly, and to have an inner vision. Blue is his color. It is the color of the sky and sea, associated with depth and stability.
Now we have Rachel and Babu, the house captain of Topaz House, followed by the vice captains Anne Maria P. Alapat and Amos Paul. Topaz House advocates that great dreams are transient. The patron saint of the house is Saint Dominic Savio. The icon is Abdul Kalam. The house clothes us to be enthusiastic, understanding, energetic, and positive. Yellow is his color. It is color associated with sunshine, hope, and happiness.
I, Anand Prabhu of class 12B, school head boy, Little Flower Public School, Muruguru.
I, Devata Raman of class 12A, school head girl of Little Flower Public School, Muruguru.
for the academic year 2021-22.
For the academic year 2021-22.
Swear before God Almighty,
Swear before God Almighty,
the management staff and students,
the management staff and students,
that I will do my duty
that I will do my duty
as the school head boy,
as the school head boy,
as the school head girl,
as the school head girl,
with diligence, prudence, and sincerity. I will be made available myself
I will be made available myself
for the betterment of the school
for the betterment of the school
and my fellow students
and my fellow students
with your support.
with your support.
I hope that
I hope that
I can do
I can do
my duty
my duty
more meaningfully.
more meaningfully.
I thank all of you
I thank all of you
for giving me a chance
for giving me a chance
to serve you
to serve you
and my school.
and my school.
I, Krista Noble of class 11B, House Captain of Emerald House.
I, Gautami KJ of class 10B, Vice Captain of Emerald House.
I, Rahul PP of 9B, Vice Captain of Emerald House.
Swear before God Almighty,
Swear before God Almighty,
the management staff and students,
the management staff and students,
that I will do my duty
that I will do my duty
as Emerald House Captain
as Emerald House Captain
with diligence,
prudence,
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
I will be made available myself
I will be made available myself
for the betterment of the school
for the betterment of the school
and my fellow students
and my fellow students
with your support.
with your support.
I hope that
I hope that
I can do
I can do
my duty
my duty
more meaningfully.
more meaningfully.
I thank all of you
I thank all of you
for giving me a chance
for giving me a chance
to serve you
to serve you
and my school.
and my school.
I,
Aryan Soji of 11B, House Captain of Ruby House.
I, Jeslet Maria of class 10A, Vice Captain of Ruby House.
I, Chris Joseph of 9A, Vice Captain of Ruby House.
swear before God Almighty,
Swear before God Almighty,
the management staff and students,
the management staff and students,
that I will do my duty as
that I will do my duty as
Ruby House Captain
Ruby House Captain
with diligence,
prudence
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
I will be made available myself
I will be made available myself
for the betterment of the school
for the betterment of the school
and my fellow students
with your support.
I hope that
I hope that
I can do
I can do
my duty more meaningfully.
my duty more meaningfully.
I thank all of you
I thank all of you
for giving me a chance
for giving me a chance
to serve you
to serve you
and my school.
and my school.
I, Jayashankar Amar of class 11B, House Captain of Safai House.
I, Andrian Sebastian of class 10B, Vice Captain of Safai House.
I, Agil Raju of 9B, Vice Captain of Safai House.
Swear before God Almighty,
Swear before God Almighty,
the management staff and
the
students,
management staff and students,
that I will do my duty as
that I will do my duty as
Safai House Captain
Sapphire House Captain
with diligence,
prudence
and sincerity.
and sincerity.
I will be made available myself
I will be made available myself
for the betterment of the school
for the betterment of the school
and my fellow students
and my fellow students
with your support.
with your support.
I hope that
I hope that
I can do
I can do
my duty more meaningfully.
my duty more meaningfully.
I thank all of you
I thank all of you
for giving me a chance
for giving me a chance
to serve you and my school.
to serve you and my school.
I, Rachel and Babu of class 11A, Topaz House Captain.
I, Amos Polo of class 9C, Topaz Vice House Captain.
I am Devi Alapat of class 10A, Topaz Vice Captain.
Swear before God Almighty.
Swear before God Almighty.
The management staff and students.
The management staff and students.
That I will do my duty.
That I will do my duty.
As Topaz Captain.
As Topaz Captain.
With diligence.
With diligence.
Prudence and sincerity.
Prudence and sincerity.
I will be made available myself.
I will be made available myself.
For the betterment of the school.
For the betterment of the school.
And my fellow students.
And my fellow students.
With your support.
With your support.
I hope that.
I hope that.
I can do. My duty more meaningfully.
My duty more meaningfully.
I thank all of you.
I thank all of you.
For giving me a chance.
For giving me a chance.
To serve you and my school.
To serve you and my school. Thank you all for your great support, encouragement and wishes.
Now let me invite our school leader, Alan Pramod, to deliver a vote of thanks.
Greetings to one and all. Myself, Alan Pramod, school head boy of Little Flower Public School, Murigur, 2021-22. As you all know, today is a great and auspicious day for us, the members of the Students' Council. It's our English Teachers' Assembly. So, I would like to thank our principal sister, the backbone of our institution. Her presence has made a huge development in this institution. Next, I acknowledge the support and efforts taken by our teachers. They encouraged us and made us what we are now. Next, I would like to thank you friends for giving us this opportunity. So, let your voices rise through us. And again, a lot of thanks to one and all. Thank you.
Success always comes when preparation meets opportunity.